So that was the purpose, not to take books, oh, give us the Christian and Jewish literature. He didn't have that. They did not know how to read and write. And he died shortly. See, it was all in the great scheme of things. It was part of Allah's plan. But he did warn Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He says, the signs you had, you are chosen by God, but you will be tested greatly like the prophets before. He knew about the prophets. He is called a Haneef in Islam. Those people who became Muslims, but they didn't know what to call it, they believed in one God. They never worshipped and bowed down in front of the asnam, in front of the idols. Never, abadan. No ibadah to asnam. Alhamdulillah. These are called Haneef people, Hunafa. Waraqa is one of them. So that is the third important point about some of the serious problems